Okay, so this is Rua das Margoseiras, and just to give you a little context, there's some apartments right here. This is kind of a major road that goes all the way down to the casinos. You can see Studio City and such like that. And then this is one Oasis and Hotel 13 too. So we're gonna walk directly down that way and walk through this, and I'll tell you all about one Oasis as well. So stay tuned for that. Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, Rua das Margoseiras. Just kind of give you some context of it all. So one Oasis is actually one of the really nice, it's really popular with expats, has very nice apartments, and it's kind of interesting because this hotel called Hotel 13 is here, which is out of business. It was a very expensive hotel. It cost a lot of money to make, a really lot of money. I wish I would I wish I knew why, but it's closed permanently. So we're gonna walk into one Oasis, and right next to this big Hotel 13 there's a veranda, which would be probably more interesting to see at nighttime, because that's where the nightlife is at, the restaurants, and there's a bar called Bottles in there as well, and that's all to the right. But we're gonna keep going straight into one Oasis. It's a lot more money here. You can see it by the cars already. There's a nice beautiful red car right there. And the veranda is where that little nightlife is at. It says jam and butter, and then we're gonna come up in here, and now it looks like we're wonder if our street's still the same. I guess we'll find out in a minute. Yeah, some really nice apartments everywhere in here. Okay, let's just kind of start to feel this all out. We'll look for a street sign as well. But you basically have, that's the veranda right in that area, down that way. That's where we came up, and you can see in the distance, you can see some of the casinos. So a lot of them would have a good view of it's Galaxy Casino, Studio City Casino. Those are the giant windows that they have around here as well. They do have really nice style apartments. Okay, let's walk into the middle here. I haven't really walked in here before. I've driven my car in here. So it looks like our street is still here, and then it looks like it's going to turn into a bunch of different streets. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of capture what I can in this area. So that's Hotel 13 from a distance, and I'm going to go kind of in a circle and try to get a sense. I think what's happening is there's going to be a ton of little streets that go down in the different directions, but we're going to stick with the naming convention of the one that we were on. And I think this is going to be a short little street. It just goes down, and it's called the Flor de Merienda. And you can see the views of the Zhuhai down that way. So we're going to go across in a minute. Let me see, as soon as we get a chance we'll go across. I guess we'll go across now. There's a fast moving bus right there though. Bus is flying. Okay. So I think what we're gonna see right here is a number of streets that go in a number of different directions, is I think what we're gonna see. So we're gonna try to figure it out, and we're gonna go into the circle, and then from the circle we're gonna get kind of a view of all the different apartments and all the different angles. So let me see if I can get across here. Okay, in the middle is a clubhouse, I believe. There we go. So now we can get kind of a view from the periphery part, or from the center part. And this looks like kind of a park slash clubhouse. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue going this way. And I think the main goal anyways is just to kind of give you kind of a preview of what it looks like in here. Sky Oasis. You can also see the beauty of the apartment and the park as well. So people that are interested in One Oasis, this is basically what it looks like. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep encountering different street names. And I think this is also kind of a community, right? So people will be familiar with each other. I can kind of feel it whenever I've been in here. People will, it kind of feels like they know everybody. So even when I come in here, people will sometimes nod their head. Even though I haven't, last time I was here was probably 5-6 years ago or something like that. Okay, so we're basically on a little rotunda. Rotunda das Palmeiras. Huh. It's another cool street right there called Rua Bombacious. I'd like to film that one as well. And then looks like what'll happen here is we'll probably end up back at our red Hotel 13 again. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video, and I'm going to do this Bombacious because it looks kind of cool. It's like a cool street to do. So okay, so there you go. Hope you like that one. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.